Africa Content TV.
Emotional. Eniola, ó lè má yìí rẹ̀. Ó yẹ dodo wa. Ó yẹ wa. Àwọn bá sì ń rè. Ojú òní sí i. Ayé òní pè yín lọ́nà. Ayé òní pè yín láìpẹ́. Ó kéjì tí mo ti fẹ́ ṣe é fún mi pé mo fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín. Lọ́jọ́ yẹn bí mo ṣe ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ lórí báńkì. Ẹ má bínú. Wọ́n mi kọ́ owó ojú omi báyìí. Any apology, anything. I apologize. I hope. Ọlọ́run àtẹ̀tẹ̀ pẹ̀sì àwọn ọmọ wa fún aṣọ mo pín obìnrin ọkùnrin ojú òní ti gbogbo mo kẹ́yìn ọ̀rẹ́ a máa ríre bára wa ká nípera wa nípa ìbànújẹ́ ojú òní tí Ọlọ́run fi iṣẹ́ Sisi Alagbo kan lé Ọlọ́run àfi gbogbo àmì ìdí aláìmọ̀ṣẹ́ Sisi Alagbo I'm very, very proud of you. I am very, very proud of you. Thank you for making me proud. Unlike every other people that I know, you did not come to. I discovered you on social media. You did not come to. I discovered you. And I saw the energy. Still, beautiful, she's elegant. I know she, from some of our utterances, that was what made me post. Timothy, she posted Latin like me. Oh, go to family. Oh, you tell them. Oh, how can you? I don't know. But for me, make me low phone. Ojo ìyẹwà ìdí excuse mo ní ìdí tí mo fi yájú bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ ni Eniola mọ̀ pé ká ní wípé òun kọ́kọ́ mú yín wá bá mi àṣẹ̀mọ́ máa dájọ́ wẹ́ẹ̀dì bọ̀ torí kó ti yóò fẹ́ kó avoid the protocol ó mọ̀ wípé máa dúró ìwé because
resilience pays, and it started like a survivor. Because it was just something for survival mode, but glory be to God, I have been able to touch thousands of lives. Through my heart, I have able, by God's grace, to help over 10,000 couples. Through my herbs, I've been able to help over 5,000 men that have issues with Jedi. Through my herbs, I've restored joy and happiness in people's home. This Agbo is not only Agbo, it's a calling to me. It's a God's gift. Thank you all over here. I'm very, very grateful. Bameko, I appreciate your prayer. Thank you so much. My Binting, thank you so much. Larry Max, thank you so much. Everyone, thank you. My Facebook fans, Colonel to thank you. I can't start mentioning names. My whole schoolmates, the whole community, thank you very much. I'm very grateful. I had a beautiful story.